Welcome to another Stellarian Games video. In this episode, we're going to be taking a tour through this desert fortress. We're going to be getting the camera in and close to this small model and getting a feel for what it would be like to approach it from the desert floor. Coming through the valley upon this abandoned fortress would be quite surprising. Considering that it's in the middle of the desert, it seems to be in remarkably good condition. The waterfall roars in the background. The stairs leading up to the gatehouse are well preserved. Looking at the main fortress, it seems like it would be a large and imposing structure. That narrow bridge, if this were truly defended, would be a hard door to breach. Your eyes are led upward to see the shrine on top of the main fortress pedestal. Getting through the gatehouse, you can see the main gateway. Looking down into the valley, the water rushes below. There's vegetation growing on the rocks, even in this harsh environment. Once through the building and on top, we get a better view of the mansion sitting atop it. Your eyes gaze upward at the shrine to some unknown demon. That waterfall is just attracting, though. The roar, the moisture in this hot and dry land, with tunnels leading into the mountainside. Two of them, one across this bridge. Looking back from this tunnel entrance, you can see a doorway into the shrine. Now up the stairs and onto the mansion. Getting a better view of this shows the power and wealth of whoever lived here. This is quite a structure for some individual in the middle of the desert. Climbing up on the cliff for a better view, you can see down onto the shrine itself. And across the valley, we see another temple entrance. Where could that lead? After crossing the desert floor and up the stairs, we can explore this small temple as well. This fortress must have been home to a powerful mage or priest. We must return at some point to explore the caverns and the insides in more detail once we have more provisions and more help. There is undoubtedly treasure to be had in this fortress, if only we look hard enough and deep enough. Well, I hope you liked this tour of the Valley Fortress. If you do, please hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you again next time. Thank you.